Hi, welcome to Royalty Stitches, and we're going to do another unboxing of SewYeah fabric stash that I was able to procure over the weekend. So let's see what we got. Okay, first up, it's going to be these. I got this one and this one. This one is really beautiful. This one. And this one, and this one. These are usually out of my norm. I don't usually buy fabrics like these, but these are really pretty. Okay, put these away. Okay, the next one up is going to be some jelly rolls. These are really pretty. I almost bought these again last weekend. So these are really pretty. Next one up is a couple of yellows. Got this one. And this one. This one. And this one. These almost look similar, but they're pretty nonetheless. All right, let's do the next one. Next one I have is this one. Kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. Got this one. Little birds. This one's little stripes. Some more birds, but just in a different color. And then let's print this as I love you. Okay. Some more yellows. This one is stripes. This one is honey. Some honeycombs. Some more honey, but just in a different fabric. And then some of these, which is also the honeycombs with the little bees on them. These are really pretty. I like these. I can't wait to cut these up. Okay. Batiks, but these are gorgeous. This one. Get this one. This one. This one. And this one. And these two, yeah, these two are the same, just different blues. And then these two are the same, just different blues. I'll probably do the chimney sweep project on this one, not sure. I got some orange. I got another orange. I got this one. This one. And this one. Very, very pretty. Okay. I decided to get some. So we got the little snowman. Another little snowman. Some houses. I might make a tree skirt out of this one. Let's see. Some more houses, just in a different color. So basically these are the same, just different colors. Some more snow. Got a blue one and a pink one. And some more little snow people. All right. And as always, depending on what you bid on and what you win, you get a pattern with your purchase. This one, the Dottie by Moda. And then, which one is this? Daydream by Kate Spain. This is pretty nice. Wish it was in color, but you know, it's pretty nice. Okay. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you don't like. Let me know what you do like. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.